the another guy fighting man was driver, fighting man was telling me I remember it was last month. The guy now in Nairobi was telling me, the Rio, I remember one day I was in Somalia. I was driving fighting car and Abdul Bile Land Cruiser. The guy was driver. Then Warlord. That was Warlord. The guy was telling me when I was driving that car, I was listening one of the song from my house. That song was meaning stop the fighting, go your country, make peaceful. You see, the guy was telling me, the Rio, that time when I was listening to that song, definitely I will stop fighting. Then I was giving the key leader was that area. Then the guy was coming Nairobi was telling me, thank you guys, you do a good job. You see, why else we already we change. Now Somalia. If you go Somalia, I'm in Nairobi, you can see Nairobi. More young generation live in Nairobi. A lot of people love music because music is peace. You see, if you get music, that means you have peace.